childhood. This is your friend Devika C. Shetty from class 10. So today I have been given an assignment by a respected principal sir. So today's topic given to me was to teach about alphabets, vowels and consonants. So let's begin this class with a thought. Failure is not opposite of success, but it is a part of success. So with this thought, let us begin our today's class. So now you might be observing this number, right? What does this number mean? I'll definitely tell you that what does that number mean. But before that, let us know about alphabets, vowels and consonants. So alphabets. Now, can I ask you one question? How many alphabets are there in English? Now, you will tell that there are 26 alphabets in English, right? No, there are not 26 alphabets in English. There is only one alphabet in English. And there are 26 alphabetic letters in English. Yes, we all make mistake here. There is only one alphabet in English and there are 26 alphabetic letters in English. So I guess we all have got it now. So now alphabets. We should know that from where the alphabet word derived from. So the term alphabet derived from the Latin word alphabetum. I repeat, the term alphabet is derived from the Latin word alphabetum. Yes. Now we write alphabets in two forms. Those are capital letters and small letters. So these are the capital letters and these are the small letters. Do you know that we can call capital letters as uppercase and small letters as lowercase? If you didn't know that, then we all know it now. So let's move on. Now we can see that there are 26 alphabetic letters. Now alphabetic letters are further divided into two parts. Those are vowels and consonants, right? So again we do mistake here. There are 5 vowel letters and 21 consonant letters. Yes, there are 26 alphabetic letters, 5 vowel letters, 21 consonant letters. Right? So let us know which are vowels and consonants. So vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. And consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes, now we know that which are vowel letters and which are consonant letters, right? So now let us know about speech sounds. There are 44 speech sounds and speech sounds are further divided into two parts. So the first one is vowel sounds and second one is consonant sounds. So in vowel sound there are 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. Yes. Now let us understand these with one example. Now we can see here that university. We consider that if a letter if in a word, if there is A, E, I, O, U, then we should write an. And if the word is of consonant, then consonant letter, then it is A. But let's see here with an example. University. Now you will tell that U. U is in vowel, then it is an. Right? But no, it is not an, it's A. We exactly do not pronounce it as university. So university. So it's now MLA. We do not pronounce it as M. We pronounce with A. MLA. So A. The speech sound we hear is A. MLA. So here this becomes an. And MLA. Then now honest R. Now we do not pronounce it as honest. We pronounce it as honest, right? We use O here and O letter is in vowels. So we do not tell a honest, but we definitely tell an honest. Now R, same. I'll be there in half an hour, right? Half an hour. Here the H word and here also H word becomes silent. So honest R, an. So now when we come back here, there is difference between vowel letters and vowel sounds, right? We know that we already proved that how there is difference between vowel letters and vowel sounds, right? So now let's come back to vowel sound. Here the vowel sounds is again divided into two parts. Those are monophthongs and diphthongs. In monophthongs, there are 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs. Monophthongs can be also called as pure vowels and diphthongs can be also called as impure vowels. Yes. So these all we learned in today's class. So I told that I tell about this number, right? Guys, with this number we can learn this whole grammar. Let me tell you how. See, there is only one alphabet in English, right? 26. There are 26 alphabetic letters in English. So here it is 26. Now there are 5 vowels and 21 consonant letters. 5 vowels, 21 consonant letters. Speech sounds are 44. Here it is 44. Now speech sounds is further divided into vowel sounds and consonant sounds. There are 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds, right? Now here again vowel sounds are further divided into two parts. Those are monophthongs and diphthongs. Monophthongs are 12 and diphthongs are 8. So if we learn this number, then we can get this all. So with this number we can learn this whole grammar topic of alphabets, vowels and consonants. Thank you so much. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you once again. Bye.